Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action and mark the present support and resistance levels from the higher time frame to lower time frames. So when we look at the economical events calendar for Monday, October 10th, so since we have lots of bank holidays, we can expect a low volatility in US dollar related currency pairs. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in 4 hours time frame. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, we can clearly notice that it is still trading within the bearish channel pattern from the daily time frame, and the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame is also on a bearish trend. So we were expecting this area between 1700 to 1680 to be acting as a very strong support zone if the price action tries to trend back on the bearish side, and currently we are noticing the price action to breach this support level of 1700. Let us look at the current price action more closely. So when we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, we can clearly notice that it was in a very nice bullish trend, and it took resistance from the bearish channel pattern resistance line from the daily time frame, and it has also broken the trend line or support line from the 4 hours time frame and has started its bearish side trend reversal. Here it has breached this strong support level of 1700 with a high volume bearish candle, which is a confirmation that the bearish side trend reversal has started. So if the bearish trend continues, next level of support is going to be around 1680, which is also a very strong long-term support from the daily time frame. So for now, as long as the price action is trading below this trend line or the resistance line, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame. So these are all going to be the resistance and support levels for current price action in 4 hours time frame. So currently the price action is trading below the resistance level of 1700, and if the bearish trend continues, next level of support is going to be around 1680, 1669, 1655 and 1634. And if the price action breaks this trend line or the resistance line from the 4 hours time frame, we can expect it to take resistance on the daily time frame resistance line from the bearish channel pattern. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, next level of resistance is going to be around 1728. So the trend in 4 hours time frame is on a bearish trend for now. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, we already know from the Friday's analysis that it was forming a double top pattern, and it has clearly broken this neck level, which is around 1700, and it has started its bearish side retracement. And if the bearish trend continues, next level of support from the daily time frame is going to be around 1680, and only when the price action breaks this support level, we can expect a further continuation of the bearish trend in hourly time frame also. So as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame, we can expect the price action to trend on the bearish side in hourly time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading below the resistance level of 1700, and as long as the price action is trading below this resistance level, we can expect the bearish trend to continue. Next level of support is going to be around 1689 and 1680. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1700, next level of resistance is going to be around 1703, 1707, 1711, 1714, 1718 and 1725. So wait for the price action to break this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame in order to take trades on the bullish side retracement. And if the price action bounces back from this resistance line, it will be the continuation of the bearish trend in hourly time frame also. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame, and when we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame also, it is in a very nice bearish trend. And these are all the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. So I have drawn a resistance line for 30 minutes time frame, and as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame. Once this resistance line is broken, we can expect it to take resistance on the higher time frame resistance level of 1700, and if the price action breaks this resistance level, next level of resistance is going to be around 1703, 1705, 1708 and 1710. Here we have also the resistance line from the 4 hours time frame, and only when the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect it to test the next level of resistance, which is going to be around 1715. And overall trend of the price action from the higher time frame is on a bearish trend for now. And next level of support is going to be around 1691, 1684 and 1680. And only when the price action breaks this support level of 1680, we can expect a further continuation of the bearish trend in 30 minutes time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. I am in 15 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 15 minutes time frame, again the price action has bounced back from the 30 minutes time frame resistance line, and it is in a very nice bearish trend. And even if the price action bounces back on the bullish side retracement, first level of resistance is going to be the resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame, and only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect it to retest on the 4 hours time frame trend line or the resistance line. So the values within these green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1697 and the support level of 1694. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1694, next level of support is going to be around 1691, 1687, 1682 and 1675. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1697, next level of resistance is going to be around 1700, 1706 and 1713. And as long as the price action is trading below this 30 minutes time frame resistance line, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 15 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and share this video with your friends.